Good morning. Lived equality and legal equality are under attack. Racial violence in Charlottesville, shootings in synagogues and black churches, immigration raids in courthouses and schools, homophobia, transphobia. We are constantly reminded that hate is a dangerous force. We may have laws against discrimination, but laws alone are not enough. We all hope the arc of the moral universe bends towards justice, but it doesn't bend on its own. To bend the arc, each of us must be actively anti-racist. To bend the arc, we have to work together to learn with and from each other, across communities and across differences. To bend the arc, we have to protect the fundamental tenets of our democracy: diversity, opportunity, and fairness. And we all have to remember that power is our birthright. Thank you.